Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. In the context of small homes, where space is often at a premium, the importance of repurposing wood furniture cannot be overstated. The practice of taking existing wooden pieces and transforming them into new, functional items offers numerous benefits, both practical and aesthetic. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and resourcefulness, repurposing furniture has emerged as a vital solution for maximizing space while also minimizing waste. One of the primary advantages of repurposing wood furniture is the efficient use of limited space. Small homes often require innovative storage solutions, and repurposed furniture can serve multiple purposes. For instance, an old dresser can be transformed into a stylish media console, or a wooden door can be converted into a unique dining table. By reimagining the use of these pieces, homeowners can create functional items that fit their needs while optimizing the available square footage. This adaptability is crucial in small living spaces, where every inch counts. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of repurpose wood furniture for small living space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to maximizing space, repurposing wood furniture can significantly reduce costs. Purchasing new furniture can be prohibitively expensive, especially in urban areas where small living often comes with a hefty price tag. By repurposing existing pieces, homeowners can save money while still achieving the desired look and functionality. This financial benefit is particularly appealing for those just starting out or looking to furnish their homes on a budget. The creativity involved in repurposing also adds a personal touch that mass-produced items often lack, resulting in unique pieces that reflect the homeowner's style. The environmental impact of repurposing wood furniture is another critical consideration. In an age of heightened environmental awareness, the importance of sustainability has never been more pronounced. By choosing to repurpose rather than dispose of furniture, individuals contribute to reducing waste and lowering their carbon footprint. Wood, as a natural resource, requires significant energy and resources to harvest and process. By extending the life of existing furniture, homeowners help reduce the demand for new materials, which ultimately benefits the planet. This eco-friendly approach resonates with the values of many modern individuals who prioritize sustainable living practices. Moreover, the act of repurposing furniture fosters creativity and self-expression. Engaging in DIY projects allows individuals to explore their artistic sides, transforming ordinary pieces into extraordinary works of art. Whether it involves painting, staining, or reupholstering, the process of repurposing provides an opportunity to experiment with different styles and techniques. This creative outlet can be especially rewarding in small homes, where individuals may feel constrained by limited options. By taking ownership of their living spaces through creative repurposing, homeowners can cultivate an environment that truly reflects their personalities and tastes. Repurposed wood furniture can also enhance the overall aesthetic of a small home. Vintage and upcycled pieces often carry a charm and character that contemporary mass-produced items lack. Incorporating these unique pieces into a living space can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, fostering a sense of comfort and belonging. The juxtaposition of old and new can also add depth to a room, making it visually interesting. In small homes, where design choices are crucial, The aesthetic appeal of repurposed furniture can elevate the overall look and feel of the space. In addition to aesthetic benefits, repurposing furniture can provide practical solutions for multifunctional living. Small homes often require furniture that can serve multiple purposes, adapting to the diverse needs of daily life. For example, a repurposed wooden trunk can function as both a coffee table and a storage solution for blankets, books, or games. This versatility is essential in small living spaces, where the ability to transform a piece of furniture for different uses can greatly enhance functionality. By selecting pieces that can easily transition from one role to another, homeowners can create a flexible and dynamic living environment. Furthermore, the process of repurposing fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. Throughout history, craftsmanship has been celebrated for its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Engaging in the art of repurposing allows individuals to take ownership of their living spaces while honing valuable skills. From woodworking to upholstery, these projects can teach practical skills that can be applied in various aspects of life. This sense of achievement not only boosts confidence, but also encourages individuals to continue exploring their creativity and resourcefulness. Repurposing wood furniture also cultivates a culture of community and sharing. Many individuals find joy in collaborating with friends and family on repurposing projects. Whether it's sharing tools, techniques, or simply ideas, the communal aspect of crafting can create lasting bonds. Workshops and community events centered around furniture repurposing have gained popularity, offering individuals the chance to connect and learn from one another. This sense of togetherness can be particularly meaningful in small homes, where social interactions often revolve around shared spaces. Another important aspect of repurposing wood furniture is the ability to adapt pieces to specific needs or preferences. Small homes often require tailored solutions that address unique challenges, such as limited storage or awkward layouts. By repurposing furniture, homeowners can create customized solutions that fit their lifestyles. For example, a repurposed bookshelf can be modified to include additional shelving or compartments, providing a tailored storage solution for books, plants, or decorative items. This level of customization allows individuals to create spaces that are not only functional but also harmonious with their daily routines. The narrative behind repurposed furniture can also add emotional value to a home. Many people have sentimental attachments to certain pieces, whether they were handed down through generations or acquired during significant life events. By repurposing these items, homeowners can breathe new life into cherished belongings, maintaining their emotional significance while adapting them to modern living. This connection to the past can enhance the sense of home, creating a space filled with memories and stories. In a world where consumerism often encourages the disposal of old items in favor of new ones, repurposing challenges this mentality. It promotes a mindset of valuing what we already have and finding innovative ways to use it. This shift in perspective aligns with the principles of minimalism and intentional living, encouraging individuals to make thoughtful choices about their possessions. By embracing the idea of repurposing, homeowners can cultivate a more mindful approach to their living spaces, prioritizing quality and functionality over quantity. The importance of repurposing wood furniture in small homes also extends to the potential for increased property value. Unique, well-crafted furniture can enhance the appeal of a home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Homes that showcase creative and functional design solutions often stand out in the real estate market, reflecting the homeowner's care and attention to detail. By investing time and effort into repurposing furniture, individuals can not only improve their living spaces, but also potentially increase their investment's value. Furthermore, repurposing wood furniture can be a sustainable alternative to the fast furniture trend that has gained traction in recent years. Many consumers are drawn to cheap, mass-produced furniture that lacks durability and quality. However, these items often contribute to environmental degradation due to their short lifespan and the resources required for their production. By choosing to repurpose, individuals opt for a more sustainable solution, investing in durable pieces that will last for years to come. This conscious decision-making process reflects a growing awareness of the environmental impact of consumer choices. The importance of repurposing wood furniture for small homes cannot be overstated. This practice offers a multitude of benefits, including efficient use of space, cost savings, environmental sustainability, and enhanced aesthetics. It fosters creativity, self-expression, and a sense of community, while providing practical solutions for multifunctional living. By transforming existing pieces into new, functional items, homeowners can create personalized spaces that reflect their unique tastes and priorities. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and mindful consumption, repurposing wood furniture stands as a testament to the power of creativity and resourcefulness in creating harmonious living environments. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked repurpose wood furniture for small living space. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.